Hi guys, so this is a short video just to introduce some series that I'll be having on my channel pretty soon. This is September, it's a month of rebirth, and I'm birthing a new series on my channel, some new episodes on my channel where we'll be discussing makeup and bridal experiences. Like, I'm going to be trying on several looks for your big day, from traditional to white weddings, with my very good friend Durb Ace-Makeup. Please check out her handle. You're going to see her works here live. So we're going to go right into the brows. I allowed her to trim it.
Finally. But we used the warm shades in this palette, and then we added this as well.
So please watch out for beautiful looks. All the looks that you can think about, you're going to be trying it on here. And I'm going to be sharing with you guys some bridal experiences. How were you having such a wonderful swell day when all these things were happening behind the scenes? 40,000 Ghana. And then some advice that they have. Sometimes you're going to be doing some live in here and there, and sometimes I'm going to be inviting some grooms and brides with me here on the channel to discuss what happens on the big day and necessary steps anybody can take going forward not to make that same mistake. So if you're not subscribed, this is the point where you subscribe, you like, you leave a comment, and share with your friend who's interested in wedding vibes, interested in makeup. See you guys in another video. Love, peace, and joy. Bye.